Good day everyone. I am Shamti Vijayabalan. Here is the proposed title for the competition is Study of Depression Text in Twitter using Supervised Learning. As we all know, depression is a severe mental illness which is affecting half of the population nowadays. And also, who stated 300 million people are estimated to suffer from the depression every year. And also, social media platform has been developed as a great platform for users to communicate with their friends and family to share their opinions and feelings. And most of the people prefer themselves online than offline. Meanwhile, majority of the people still suffer in silence from depression without receiving any kind of help. Here are a few problem statements. The major problem is the collected data from the social media, which is Twitter, is unstructured. And also, machine learning techniques handle the data in numerical form to provide the best accuracy. There are numerous machine learning techniques are executed to make prediction. In this proposed project, we will find out which machine learning algorithm provides the maximum accuracy. Here are a few objectives in this proposed project. First of all, to detect the depression text in Twitter using supervised learning approach and to evaluate the performance of different type of supervised learning algorithms. The data set which I will use is sentiment 140 from kaggle.com and the supervised learning model which can be used in this project are SVM, decision tree and naive Bayes. Here is the flowchart of the proposed project. First of all, text preprocessing. Text preprocessing is an essential step in this proposed title. First of all, we have to remove the Twitter handles, links, punctuation, numbers, stop words, and text tokenization stemming, and finally removing small words. And data visualization. In this project, the tweets data will visualize in using word clouds. A word cloud is a visualization wherein the most frequent words appear in larger size and the least frequent words appear in smaller size. I split the data into training set 80% and the test set is 20%. For the text extraction, there is a minor problem in language processing which is machine learning algorithms cannot work on the raw data directly. For that, screen learners control vectorize is used to transfer the tweet text into vector of the frequency for each word that occurs in the entire Twitter text. Wherein, for the model implication, the three supervised learning model will implement and calculate the accuracy for each model. From that, we can develop a depression dictator system. It is a simple UI built by the Thinker. Thinker is a standard UI library for Python, and for that, we can import the sentiment intensity analyzer from the weather sentiment to predict the sentence score. If the sentence score is more than and equals to 0.05, it is a positive sentence. If the sentence is more than negative zero point 0.5 and in between below than 0.5 is a neutral sentence and less than equals to negative zero point 0.5 is a negative sentence. So here are the example of one of the sentence. We have to key in the sentence first, which is I will kill myself, and we have to click on the analyze button and the result will show. For this sentence, it shows there is 61% negative and 29% is neutral. Thus, the overall result is negative. There also are strengths and limitations in this proposed project. First of all, depression dictator system is easy to implement on any computer and OS. And it also UI is a very easy to use. The system will allow the user to see the sentence accuracy too. And for the limitation part, the beginner of supervised learning which I used in this project is classifying big data. For example, the data from downloaded from Kaggle It consists of 1.4 million data. Whenever it's implemented into this project, it's a very challenging. Besides that, due to huge amount of data, supervised learning needs a very large of computation time. And finally, in future, it can be implemented large amount of data in order to improve the effectiveness of the model. And also deep learning models such as CCN could be tested to increase the performance of the model.